Jeff here with Fat Kids Barbecue. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm going to show you how to spatchcock a chicken. So I went to the local grocery store and I picked up this young chicken. I don't know why they have to tell us that it's young. Are they trying to make us feel bad? That must be the case. So I always open my chicken over a plastic bag. So if any juices come out, they end up right in that plastic bag and then they go right into the trash. So we'll pull this guy out, and you can see all the liquid that's coming out of it. So that's pretty good. We'll get that guy there. So what's really good about chicken is it comes with this little handle on the back. That's what makes you know that's where you want to cut. So all you do is you take your kitchen shears. Don't use these shears for anything but cutting poultry. Don't use them for cutting open, let's see. There we go. This one's a little stubborn, because these blades are getting dull. I must have used them to cut something else out. And then you just cut down the other side of the bone. It's really simple. So I say anyway. There we go. I need some sharper scissors. There you go. And you take this guy, and if you don't have to throw this away, you can make chicken stock from it. Or throw it away like I'm gonna do. Then all you do is you take your chicken and you flip it over and you push it down like so, and you hear the bones snap. Or the other thing you could do is you can stick a skewer through the breast into the leg and through the other breast and into the leg. And then you slap this on the grill. So the reason you spatchcock your chicken, it's quite simple. You want to get it nice and flat. So when you put it on your grill, it cooks evenly. Your dark meat and your breast will all cook simultaneously. Thanks, guys. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, click that like button down below, and leave a comment.